Hello everybody, we're from Unnati Books and Toys Library and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Gravitrax game from our toys collection. As you can see, this is a game where the child has to use their own thinking and imagination skills and build this entire track. There are different difficulty levels, starting from the easier ones where the tracks are easy, going to the medium ones. So the entire procedure and the step-by-step way of building the track is all mentioned in the manual, and then going to the difficult level. So here what we have is a demonstration of this track H. So as you can see, we've built the track H. So in this manner, the child can either follow the different tracks that are given in the manual or build something by themselves. Also, after the tracks given, they've also given questions at the end of the manual about how to build a track, the kind of track that they need, or how to build a track in a way that we first get the red ball down, then the green ball, then the blue ball. So as you can see, there are different questions given over here. There are different patterns that the child can follow. They can also build their own patterns. So this helps to improve their cognitive skills, their creativity skills, their attention skills. While building, it's also their hand and motor coordination that improves. So we urge you to borrow this game on your next visit to the library. You can also check us out on our other social media handles on Instagram and Facebook, and you can visit our website at www.unnatillibrary.com and contact us for home delivery. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.